What is up, YouTube? And today, as you can see right here, wow, another crazy shoe pickup and shoe unboxing for you all to experience on my channel right here. Before I hop right into it, hit that subscribe button down below, as well as the like button and the notification bell if you find this video intriguing and you want to learn more about other shoes, sports cards, Pokemon cards, things of that nature. Then this is the channel for you, and hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for all the endless support recently. I just wanted to say that real quick. This review is going to be a crazy one. It is a Travis Scott Air Force One, and it is in a very cool but unique colorway, so we'll get right into it as we speak. Let's go. Starting off with this review, man, where do I start? Beautiful Nike box, crazy. And on this side, it does have the Travis Scott face, and right here, a cool see-through panel on the side of the box. Very cool. And the Cactus Jack spell out right here in a unique font. But my favorite part's gotta be that baby blue Nike Air swoosh on the top of the box. This is not a regular box, it is a slide out panel box. And on the inside you have this cactus print, which I'll get to it. Let me go ahead and put the shoes aside. Unique shoe in my opinion. And all of the accessories right here as well to go with. Don't you worry, we got all of that. But this is what I was trying to show you. On the interior, you have that same side panel spelling on the paper. Symbols, I'm not really sure. But like I said, exactly as the side of the box right here. And here we go. Crazy Nike Air Force One collaboration with Travis Scott, aka Cactus Jack, and all of his unique collaborations. This shoe does feature a lot of different materials such as canvas, corduroy, suede, leather, nubuck, and then you have extra mesh and cool details such as this clip right here. And man, beautiful shoe, beautiful shoe. This is in my size, so I'll probably have to break these out for a fit pick, which you can see on my Instagram right here at Ethan_Goud with 2 E's. Go ahead and follow me there, and you'll see a lot more reviews, pictures, fit pics, all of that. And we can stay connected. So make sure to follow me there as well, and hit that subscribe button while you're here already on the channel. And stay tuned to the end of the video, because I'm going to show you all up close and personal why I personally like this shoe and why I think it's one to keep in your collection for many years to come. Speaking of Travis Scott, we have the Fortnite by Cactus Jack and Nerf collaboration right here as well. I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all a nice little short look at this, just because I have yet to do so on my channel. Been very busy, just stay tuned with me right here. But as you can see, the Fortnite AR Goosebumps collaboration. Insanely cool piece right here. I personally like just how it's got the overall branding. A three-way collab, a nice scar, and for all my Fortnite heads out there, you already know this is the gun that you want for the game. But in that Goosebumps wrap as well, and it's actually automatic. The 10 dart clip. Then on this side of it, you have the actual characters, sicko mode, Cactus Jack, skins, all of that. But man, what a crazy, crazy, crazy collab. It does say Nerf limited as well, so I see a lot of similarities, just from his uniqueness to where his shoes relay and what his shoes portray. So with that being said, I just wanted to show you all the nice Fortnite Cactus Jack scar. I have not opened it yet. I'm probably going to hold it sealed just for the time being. I think all Travis Scott stuff is a good investment personally, especially if it's something for your personal collection. Even with a couple wears or uses of your items, if you are using like this Nerf Fortnite blaster, then you're still gonna have your money or what you paid for it, especially if you paid retail. I thought that little Nerf gun would be a cool touch to the video for a full Cactus Jack review. And check out the Cactus Jack and Travis Scott review playlist on my page as well to see more items that he's came out with, such as the bobblehead, things of that nature from the Fortnite collab too. So back to the kicks. This is a Air Force One Nike silhouette, reconstructed and redesigned in ways by Travis Scott himself and the Nike team, of course. Like I said though, this shoe has a lot going on with a lot of different materials, such as plaid, flannel, corduroys, going different ways. You got a horizontal corduroy, a vertical corduroy. You got that canvas that y'all could hear, that ballistic canvas. You got wool on the back, the Nike Air heel cup, and then you've got that strap, like I mentioned, just to add some flair to his shoes. It does button. It's actually functional. So they do actually come with a lace cover as well. I'm not a fan of these. If I see you rocking these, I'm gonna roast you. I'm just kidding. I'm not gonna roast you because everybody's got their own unique style, but this is ultimately how they came when they were dead stock. They cover up the laces, similar to like a tuxedo, in my opinion. Like if you were to zip it down, you would see the laces pop out like your tux. So this is not it to me, but I just wanted to show you all what they come with. It comes with two, one for each side, and it's a black corduroy and then another, canvas like material right here on the other side of the zipper. Then they do come with extra laces as well. They come with the cream, brown, and navy laces. So however you're feeling that day. For me, I personally like the cream in it. Maybe I'd put the brown laces in them for a certain fit, but I'm not putting that navy in it. No offense, Trav, no offense. Getting to my favorite part about the shoe, I personally would say that I love this portion of the shoe. That ballistic canvas and the designs on it, how that Nike swoosh just overlays on top of it. It's a beautiful shoe in my opinion. And I love the camo swoosh on the interior as well. So you got that brown mustard color, purple, blue, and yellow with that Cactus Jack writing and design right here. Man, it's a beautiful, beautiful shoe in my opinion. It's not for everybody, and I understand that, but comment down below if you are a fan of these, if you got a pair on release day for retail, or if you paid resale just because you love the shoe so much. I don't blame you. I did pay up a little bit, traded a few things for them, but nonetheless, such a unique shoe. On the interior of the shoe, you're gonna see you have that flannel and plaid effect going on as well, just like on the tongue right here. So under the laces on the tongue, you have that plaid flannel effect, and then it follows into wool on the back. So that's my favorite part about it. So now I'll get to a quick aftermarket analysis of this shoe and what it's doing at the current time, in case you too want to add them to your collection. At the time of release on November 16th, I believe it was, in 2019, so a couple years ago now, but at the time of release, they released for $160 retail. Great margin if you were a reseller and you didn't like the shoe. For me personally, I like the shoe, added it to my collection. So like I said, in case you were wanting to do the same, I'm gonna just show you all what they're going for right now on different apps. So just for an example, everybody's favorite example, the Stock of X. The Stock X XX. All right. And a size 11.5 right here. You can see that this is the shoe I'm looking at, the same one right in front of us. Brand new in 11.5, which this is the size. They are lowest ask of $580 with a last sale of $535 US dollars. This was a worn once pair. As you can see, very, very clean on that gum translucent sole bottom. But man, very, very nice shoe with a lot of details and a story in itself. So that's about what they're going for in different size ranges. It looks like they peak at about, the highest bid is about $685 at the current time for a size 12. Only a half a size up, and brand new, factory lace, brand new box, all of that. With that being said, don't let it discourage you if you did want the pair. If you do want the pair, I recommend just selling off some things in your personal collection. That way you can build up some funds to be able to buy them brand new or used if you had a trustworthy source, such as a resale shop near you. For me, that would be like a Request Boutique for all of my local people. in Concord Mills. This is the shoe that I wanted to bring you all today, and please do comment down below to let me know if you got a pair, if you like them, if you hate them. You know, I want to know all the different opinions of the shoe, so let me know below. Like I said though, they are reselling for about $550 to $585, maybe a little more in certain sizes at the current moment of filming this. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that y'all like the review of these Air Force Ones and the Cactus Jack multi-color Air Force One, as well as the Nerf gun that I showed you with the Fortnite scar. So Cactus Jack keeps killing it, but y'all know what to do. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, stay tuned to the channel, and I appreciate y'all's support. Y'all know what to do. Be easy.